Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's mini-series of 3 episodes, we are going to show you 15 interesting facts about BLACKPINK you didn't know. So please make sure that you watch the other episode as well and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content. So let's get it started. 15 ultimate BLACKPINK facts you never knew. 6. They headlined Coachella. In 2019, the girls played at Coachella and set new records. BLACKPINK not only headlined Coachella as the first all-female K-pop group, but they also performed there. Some of the performance footage is available in their documentary, and the DDU performance clip they uploaded to YouTube has received over 44 million views. 7. They are one of the most successful K-pop groups ever. BLACKPINK are some of the most successful female K-pop stars ever because to their global fame and millions of admirers. Prior to BLACKPINK and BTS's rise to fame, K-pop fandom among Western audiences was quite uncommon. But in the middle of the 2000s, everything changed. They can certainly reach audiences all over the world, thanks to the internet, and they also sing in English, which reaches a wider audience and introduces them to Korean culture. 8. They have re-released some songs in Japanese. Due to the size of their Japanese fans, BLACKPINK has re-recorded some of their songs in the language. They released an album named BLACKPINK in Your Area, as well as their first mini-album in Japanese, BLACKPINK, to thank their devoted Japanese fans. 9. They come from YG Entertainment. BLACKPINK are a part of YG Entertainment, which also manages the individual careers of singers Psy and Big Bang as well as bands like iKON and Big Bang. The first lady group to make an appearance at YG in 7 years was BLACKPINK. As was already established, YG Entertainment, like many other labels in South Korea, creates groups from a pool of candidates who have undergone rigorous training and instruction. The girls must have had something exceptional to make it to the final band because it is really competitive. 10. They are really into fashion. Members of BLACKPINK represent a variety of brands, including the fashion labels Chanel, Celine, Yves Saint Laurent, and Dior. Additionally, they represent brands of technology, beauty, and other goods. All 4 girls are interested in fashion, but Lisa is perhaps the most enthusiastic, attending runway events and even modeling expensive clothing. Specifically, they adore French fashion houses. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.